Hi guys, so we've got this stunning GR Yaris in with us at the moment for one of our stainless steel exhausts and mid pipes, along with an Ecotec ACU remap. It already features the Eventuri carbon intake kit, Forge Motorsport intercooler, Tom's Racing rear bumper vents, Nitron dampers and wheel spacers. And doesn't it look great in this colour? It's been resprayed in Porsche Riviera blue, which really sets it off apart from the typical GR Yaris colours we see. They only come in, so from the factory, they only come in black, white or red. So it's really refreshing to see one in such a distinctive colour. So the customers complain about a lack of low-end power. So the first thing we did was put the car on the dyno to get a baseline power figure. And right away I noticed the issue. There's a significant dip in power and torque between 2,700 RPM and 3,700 RPM, which must be what the owner is feeling on the road. So the car's definitely been remapped at some point before the current owner bought it, as it's producing 247 wheel horsepower. This is equivalent to about 299 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So it's got more power than we normally would just see with the Eventuri intake kit and intercooler installed. So it must have had a remap at some point. But obviously, as you can see, it's not been done very well. So next up, we're going to get one of our stainless steel exhaust systems fitted, along with a resonated mid pipe as well, and get it on the dyno to install the Ecotec software and get it remapped and report back to you to show the power gains we've achieved. As you can see, we've got some big power gains here. It's now making 282 wheel horsepower, which is 340 brake horsepower. That's about a 41 brake horsepower increase in power over the remap that was done previously on the car. We've also fitted the exhaust system, of course, which adds a little bit more power, normally about 10 brake horsepower on its own. So the remap has gained around the 30 brake horsepower mark. But most importantly is the power and the torque dip at low RPM is gone, and the car now has got a nice smooth power curve, as you can see from the dyno graph on the screen. We've also added some of the Ecotec features we include with the remaps, the rolling anti-lag, launch control and flat foot shifting. So rolling anti-lag is activated by holding the set button down on the steering wheel at the desired engine RPM, flooring the throttle to hold the revs where you want it to build boost, and then releasing the button for instant power. And then you've got the flat foot shifting feature, which means you can change gear without lifting off the throttle, so effectively making the car faster. So So the customer should be a happy man when he gets it back. The car's producing more power, smoother than before, and it also sounds better too. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel and feel free to comment below if you've got any questions.